My name is Michelle Fuji. I am the curriculum coordinator for the Lanai Culture and Heritage Center's Native Hawaiian Education Grant. Today is our first day of our Huaka'i. We have 9th through 12th grade students taking part in our first series of archaeological field studies. Right now they're just getting an introductory to archaeology, what it's about, and learning more about what they'll be doing when they actually get out into the field. Just yesterday we went out into the field and visited all the sites that these students are going to be visiting, and I hope that they learn a lot from it, and I hope that they get to see a lot of the practical applications of what they're learning, and hope they can perpetuate what they learn.
My name is Danner Valdez.
My name is Foster Rabaka, and we are the students of Lanai High in elementary school.
This program is called Ikeho Ya Lanai, which means to know Lanai once again. To prepare for this program, we had to do some interviews. The people asked us questions like, why do you want to join this program? Are you committed? And what is archaeology?
Also, we had to learn how to use an iPad or iPad mini, and had to learn how to use the apps that the Culture Center provided.
I joined this program because I wanted to learn more about the cultural sites of Lanai.
And we look forward to it.
A lot of the vocabulary is new to you, and a lot of those words have multiple definitions.
Hi, my name is Zachary Quintin Angwai Holsomback. I am a kumu or teacher at the program here at the Lanai Cultural Center. Today we're working with a group of students. We've got them learning about archaeology today. They'll spend about 2 to 3 hours in the classroom, and then we'll see if we can go outside and do a short field trip to the site. And that's where we are. This is a one-week program, and we'll see how it goes for the rest of the week.
When they started building the new houses,
one of the keys and critical elements in archaeology is precision, because the materials have to be precisely recorded, because relationships between materials and within the site are very important to understanding human behavior. And so we create a metric grid, so everything is controlled to within. When I say control, I don't mean we're controlling the artifacts, I mean that we're controlling our data. So we have good data. So everything is measured to within that 1 by 1 meter unit, and then mapped as if it were on a graph using an x-axis and a y-axis. And so the precise measurement of the 1 by 1 meter unit is really important, so that the kids can measure the precise location. And then anyone in the future can take that data and return to the site, and should be able to find those exact artifacts, you know, except animals move things and that sort of thing, but they should be able then to completely recreate anything that we move or disturb and still know what that site looked like. So it's about mapping, precision mapping, and so the kids are practicing on the lawn, and we'll go out and lay them out on the real site in a little while.
Hey, my name's Jamin, and what we're doing today is that we're finding ancient artifacts in the Ahupua'a for the ancient Hawaiians that used to live here. The ancient Hawaiians used adze to make all sorts of stuff. Like they made tools, they carved trees to make canoes, and all that stuff. And we're doing math. We're doing 1 by 1 meters to find in that one spot where there are artifacts in that one particular spot, but there could be all over the place.
This place is important because this was an adze making area for the island of Lanai. Obviously they could get some good stone around here to make the adzes, and I think it's important that we document the site. So the more work that we do like this, that you guys are helping us with, the better it is to preserve the history of Lanai.